Oh shit, my drink one too many. My outfit, I got brand new linen. Oh yeah, you like that? I love you. So sexy, so thick, so loyal.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And VYBZ KARTEL never seems to amaze me. VYBZ KARTEL dropped a song yesterday called Pretty Potion. May I tell you, it is out of this world. This song is an alien song. I feel like say a space invites it. Or in brain go space and then vice it. But anyhow, we are going to review it right now. So stay tuned.
Easy we bust them in. Easy we bust them in. Funeral bell. Rush him to the mark.
Every know the Dan the man the one Right now me are
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. Is it me?
And YouTube, you know. Come in say YouTube, that chop and such chop. Yo.
Yeah. Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Break a chop and say that.
It's exploding right now.
This a for the man them. We carry them woman go party. Yo, TG, every man grab a shotty. Oh shit, oh shit, yeah. Oh shit, see me girl there. Oh shit.
So the first thing we want to talk about is this beat. Yo, Jano Star. You see, anytime TG and VYBZ KARTEL link up is a hit. And people, wanna tell me in the comment section. But every song when me know TG and VYBZ KARTEL do, every song when me know TG produce for VYBZ KARTEL is a solid hit. I mean, care what nobody wanna say. It's like the chemistry where the man them have together, yo. It's off the chain. Yo, hear out the beat that's like them there's some authentic dancehall sound. I feel like say at them sound there we need back in a dancehall. How you mean? And here VYBZ KARTEL forward in with the intro. Yo, Jano Star, as I say, that youth here, a space him come from. You see that song here? Me guarantee say yo, a space him come from.
My drink one too many. My outfit, I got brand new linen. Oh yeah, you like that? I love you. So sexy, so thick, so loyal. She never beg, no borrow, no suck, no dick for new things, got morals.
Alright, so the girl here with VYBZ KARTEL talk about, you can't say is a very bad girl, but she definitely know when to be good. Because the man say, yo, you not suck no dick. You see me? For things. Cause enough of them girl you know, where they on Instagram and all these social media platform. Yo, if you see what them a do, enough of them girl go on trips every week. No mind me, you know, me not bad mind nobody, you know. You see me? I mean, a girl gotta do what a girl gotta do. But you see that girl here with VYBZ KARTEL talk about, she have morals. She not go do certain things. Like some girl just go on trips every week with some sugar daddy. Cause when you're looking at them alone, you see in a picture and they never see the ombre yet in the background. Because them can't show him.
Your IG them follow base block the bitch and I like share watch you. Oh shit, get you wet, ocean.
Now people, on a serious level, this is why I say VYBZ KARTEL have alien brain. This is why I say VYBZ KARTEL is definitely most an alien. So Instagram launched in October of 2010. You see me? And you know we as Jamaican we have the back of time. Now VYBZ KARTEL was locked up October. Hold on, cause me don't want to tell a lie. September 29 of 2011. No. When VYBZ KARTEL they are jail, you know, we still in a BlackBerry days. That means say Instagram never that so popular. Now when VYBZ KARTEL I go sing another song and say, yo, block the girl on Instagram and X, Y, and Z. Is either that you have alien brain or you are sitting at the future? Or the song you post dated. People me no know, tell me in the comment section below. But me feel say the dog just know say Instagram the dog go take off and say yo, you know what? Me I go voice the tune here because one of them day here people are gonna start black people on Instagram only and it are gonna become an in thing and Instagram are gonna run the place. And yeah, just like in the earlier part of the verse where the man say yo, you're not something because you have morals. Like VYBZ KARTEL, you know say you have some girls like these where go up on Instagram and go out with a bag of sugar daddies and thing and them just suck be a dick and lose them morality. And people, nothing is wrong with sucking little dick. You know what I mean? But just do it to your man.
Yeah, me love your style, yeah, me love your motion. Where you say, pretty potion, you're no crochet. Coach, bada ya, bada oche.
Alright, the next line there again when the dog say, bada yard, bada oche. People, now what day we did a talk about say Ochi when the girl, when in the last year, a girl make a voice note and say, yo, she did a Ochi if you need passport for got Ochi or something like so. And people make a bag of mean and say Ochi is like a different place from Jamaica. And now here comes VYBZ KARTEL with his alien brain. Say bada yard, bada Ochi. Me don't know.
Yeah, me love your style, yeah, me love your motion. Where you say, pretty potion. Show shake, she get drunk off Henny. And my lifetime fetish. Roll that bumper, you got 'em. Come on, bounce that bottom.
So people, another thing what more you do, comment in the comment section and tell me if you like this song so far. Cause for me feel that that song here is a bad song. You see me? The flow and everything, oh the man just a flow with the rhythm and so yo, the song just bad. And people, wanna notice how VYBZ KARTEL not too interested in a summer again for the past couple of years. Because remember, you know, last year when VYBZ KARTEL did have that big song there with him. Oh yeah. We have John Gunn for this done, honey. You must know what me talk. VYBZ KARTEL wait until the September to drop the song there. When him couldn't drop the song there in July and just take away all summer, cause there wouldn't be any air. There wouldn't be any air. And now VYBZ KARTEL got some booms and low this summer. Cause that song easily could be a banger for summer, a banger summer song, you know. And the man say, you know what? Christmas vibes. You see me? And I see him so last year, him did got some booms after him dropped the Run Road tune. Run Road. Shit. Comment in the comment section. Remind me where that song is. Oh yeah. The man forward back again and drop. You see me? So is it that VYBZ KARTEL not too interested in his summer again, and him just say, you know what? Me I set one different trend because you know, remember, you know, a VYBZ KARTEL set that trend there for summer song, you know. VYBZ KARTEL set the trend for have summer song, and now everybody and their mother want a summer song. You see me? So is it that probably next year y'all gonna see people them stop focus off of the summer song and start focus pan the Christmas song them now? Me no know, but I one thing what me know. Oh yeah. You see, it just stick.
I suck no dick for new things got morals. I suck no dick for new things got morals. Your IG them follow me as black the bitch and I like share watch you. Oh shit, get you wet. Ocean, yeah me love your style, yeah me love your motion. Where you say, pretty potion.
So people, after this song drop, Zane, really I gonna say VYBZ KARTEL fall off. After a year, the man dropped a big bad song here for the ladies, and it's not only even a lady song, it's not even a girl song alone. It's just a song where you can all a vibes to. Yo, that song me call that song all rounder because you can have sex to that song, you see me? And you can party to that song. You can burn a spliff to that song. Yo, you can do everything to that song. Yo, John was star. That song bad. But me don't know if I'm me alone, she said the song bad. So wanna tell me in the comment section, cause I wanna rate this song, you know, out of 10. How much you give that song? And me would I give about 10.5 or 11. You see me? But that's how me would have give. So wanna tell me in the comment section, you see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and you know say you can follow me on Instagram and I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Zine. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you don't, well, state why you don't. And if you want dislike it, a year option. You see me? And for all the new subscribers, me I tell you, thanks for watching. Me ever tell new subscriber, whole subscriber, visiting subscriber where no know say them subscribe yet. All I know, all I hate them too. Thanks for watching. You see me? And so we do it round here on the Chaddy Murray TV. You see me? And me feel so me I go check it out now. I go check out. So it's your boy DJ Chaddy. And I'm out.
You're no crochet, coach, bada ya, bada oche. Yeah, me love your style, yeah, me love your motion. What you say? Pretty potion. Oh shit, me drink one too many.